Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Nintendo Switch from automatically turning off on you. So if it's like an auto timer or something like that, or auto sleep, we want to go to System Settings, scroll on down, and we want to go to Sleep Mode, right here, then go to the right. And you can adjust the sleep mode for when it's not docked right here. You can set it to never, 30 minutes, etc. I'd say at least set it to 30 minutes. Then we have auto sleep connected to TV. 1 hour, 2 hours, 6 hours, so maybe like 3 hours would be good or appropriate, so your Nintendo Switch doesn't stay on forever. But here's an option right here: suspend auto sleep while playing media content. So we can go to off or on right here. Prevents auto sleep from activating while media content is playing. So maybe you're watching something on YouTube and your Nintendo Switch is automatically turning off on you. Well, come to this section and make sure this is on so it doesn't automatically turn off on you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.